Hello friends, welcome to Bindu Datwal Chemistry Lessons. The topic that we are doing is strengths in periodic properties, and the property that we take up today is ionization enthalpy. The energy required to remove most loosely bound electron from an isolated gaseous atom of the element in its ground state. एक एटम जो आइसोलेटेड है और गैस की स्टेट में है, उसके आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव करने के लिए जितनी भी एनर्जी चाहिए है उसको हम आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी कहते हैं. आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी को आयोनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस रिक्वायर्ड टू रिमूव द मोस्ट लूजली बाउंड इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम आइसोलेटेड गैसियस एटम ऑफ एलिमेंट in the discharge tube is called ionization potential. Units are kilojoules per mole or electron volt per atom or kilocalorie per mole. The relation between electron volt is 1 electron volt per atom is 96.49 kilojoules per mole or 23.06 kilocalorie per mole. Successive ionization enthalpies are the terms when the electron has to be removed from the ion which has already lost one electron. So first electron that has to be removed from the neutral isolated gaseous atom is called first ionization enthalpy. After it has lost one electron, the enthalpy required to remove the next electron will be called second ionization enthalpy, and these enthalpies will be called successive ionization enthalpies. Factors governing ionization enthalpy: size of the atom. The ionization enthalpy decreases with increase in the size of atom. Lesser energy is needed to remove an electron from a bigger atom. Charge on the nucleus. The ionization enthalpy increases with increase in nuclear charge. More nuclear charge means that electron is held strongly, and so greater energy is required to remove that electron. Screening effect of the inner electrons. The ionization enthalpy decreases with the increase in screening effect of inner electrons. In multi-electron atoms, the outermost electrons are shielded or screened from the nucleus by inner electrons, and this is known as shielding or screening effect. As a result of this, the outermost electron does not feel the full charge of the nucleus. Nucleus और outermost electron के बीच के जो electrons होते हैं वो बाहर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन को न्यूक्लियस के पुल से बचाते हैं. इस इफेक्ट को स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट कहा जाता है. The actual charge felt by an electron is termed as effective nuclear charge, and it is equal to total nuclear charge minus screening constant. The fourth factor is penetration effect of electrons. Ionization enthalpy increases with increase in penetration power of the electrons. In case of multi-electron atoms, the electron of s orbital have maximum probability of being found near the nucleus, and this probability goes on decreasing in case of p, d and f orbitals. So penetration power decreases in the given shell in the order s is greater than p is greater than d is greater than f. For the same shell, the ionization enthalpy would be more to remove s electron than to remove p electron. Electronic arrangement. The ionization enthalpy also depends upon the electronic configuration of atom. For half-filled and completely filled shells, the ionization enthalpy will be more. For example, noble gases have most stable electronic configuration NS2 NP6 and have higher ionization enthalpy values. Beryllium 1s2 2s2 has completely filled 2s orbital, and similarly magnesium has completely filled 3s orbital, so its ionization enthalpy will be large. The elements like nitrogen and phosphorus, electronic configuration for nitrogen 1s2 2s2 2px1 2py1 2pzy. So you see the p orbitals are of the valence shell are exactly half filled. Such a configuration is stable So more energy is required to remove the electron from half-filled orbitals, so the ionization enthalpy is higher. So more stable the electronic configuration, high is the ionization enthalpy. Variation of ionization enthalpy in the periodic table. So this is a graph between ionization enthalpy and atomic number, and you can see that in this graph the maximum ionization enthalpy is for noble gases and the minima lies for alkali metals. They have the least ionization enthalpy. This is because electronic configuration for noble gases is most stable, so electron is not removed or higher energy is needed to remove the electron, whereas for alkali metals by losing one electron, outermost electron, they can be stable, so that electron is lost very easily by giving small amount of ionization enthalpy. Variation along a period. As we move from left to right along a period, the ionization enthalpy increases. Why? Because the nuclear charge increases. On moving across a period from left to right, the nuclear charge increases and atomic size decreases. So valence electrons are more and more tightly held, but you may see some irregularities in this graph. For example, the ionization energy for beryllium is higher than that of boron. We have covered this because for beryllium the s orbitals have greater penetration, whereas for boron penetration is less. Similarly, nitrogen has greater ionization enthalpy than oxygen because nitrogen has half-filled configuration of p orbitals which is stable, whereas oxygen by losing one electron it gets stable half-filled configuration. So variation down a group. Within a group there is a gradual decrease in ionization enthalpy in moving from top to bottom. This is because as we move down the nuclear charge increases, the atomic size increases because of additional main energy shell, and there is an increase in shielding effect on the outermost electron because there is an increase in the number of inner electrons. The effect of increase in the atomic size and the shielding effect is much more than the effect of increase in nuclear charge. As a result, the electron becomes less firmly held and its ionization enthalpy value decreases. Variation in successive ionization enthalpies. The energies required to remove subsequent electrons from atom in the gaseous state are known as successive ionization enthalpies, and these values are higher because after the removal of first electron the atom changes to monovalent positive ion. As a result, the remaining electrons are held more tightly by the nucleus and second and third ionization